So there's a great new feature that I've installed on my blog, which is going to make it very easy for everyone to find content. And really what it is a new type of search engine called the Jet search engine. And on the desktop, you can find it just by coming down below the first few articles. And here it is. This is a very innocuous little search engine, but very powerful, very fast. So when you implement it, let's say that you want to identify the word L-L-E-T-T, you type it in, and sure enough, boom, all of the articles that have the word bullet in it show up here. This these tags and post types and categories are now filtering capable. So if I'm interested in the word bullet that has to do with sports, if I click sports, it gets limited to the article that has the word bullet in it. And that filtering capability, something about a bullet in Alteryx. And now I know, here's my bullet in articles that I was writing about Alteryx. What's really nice about it is if you click on that article will load. You can read the article, and if you hit the back button, then you're back to where you were in the search capability. Another nice thing is general information. Like I woke up this morning thinking about my Tableau public, and I haven't even done this yet. My Tableau public dashboard's embedded in all of the things that I've written. And going in here, I can quickly identify and go find my Tableau public dashboards. So this thing is really powerful. Here's the Tableau public workbooks I maintain for this particular topic. Very, very powerful. Another thing that I implemented was, this is what it looks like on the desktop. If you want to do it on, what does it look like on mobile? Well, you don't get the desktop view on a mobile. What you get is a vertical stream of content. So you can come in here in the search function, and down in the mobile, this search bar will show up over here because it gets vertically stacked. And that's very powerful on the mobile device too. And so one of the things that I also implemented is this most viewed post. So this is kind of like a trending of what people are reading real time. I guess I haven't figured it out yet, but this is a nice thing to find what other people are looking at. Again, search capability called the Jetpack. I have to pay for this, so it's costs money per month, but it really, in essence, what it does is that I built years ago, which this takes a lot of work to maintain. This is a word search engine that allows you to type in a word and find all the articles. This is basically the same capability. I built it myself years ago, but I have to run Alteryx workflows to populate this. It's been 3 years since I've populated it. And then this is the time series history of all the article views, where you could pick an article and see how its viewership has changed over time. And I have to run Alteryx workflows for this, as well as maintain databases and data from WordPress. Quite a bit of work to do both of these. But now with this capability, if I'm interested in understanding something about my son, Jet Black, I can just do that. And everything that I've written about Jet Black shows up. And if I'm looking in the category Jet Black and Alteryx, I can find that, or I can see the distribution of articles over time. So this is very powerful stuff, and it allows you to look at a topic and view it comprehensively across the whole blog, because a lot of what I've written has been series of articles and interconnected dashboards, like looking at how did I create the name for him, or if we just even did name, and like name popularity, and you look at how popular is your name, you can quickly find that, and then you can go in and run a dashboard on that one. And I'm interested in knowing, for example, how popular is the name Jet. So if I want to find that out, I can just come over and take a look at Jet and turn Jet on. And he shows up in there, and I can turn Kenneth off. And I can then see that its name popularity reached the top 1,000 in 1999. He was born in 2011, but the reason his name came into popularity has to do with John Travolta naming his son Jet in 1996. After that, the name Jet became much more popular. So there's all kinds of cool things to do with this, and I really enjoy having this search capability now built right into the blog. So thank you for listening, and that's the newest tutorial from the Datablends blog.